What's up, people? Got me a GoPro remote for my 4M. Let's open this up and check it out. Just a little thank you letter from the company. Here, let's see, let's get this sucker open. Alright. High response, digital, proportional, blah blah blah. 4-channel. Well, looks cheap as fuck. Let's check it out though. First, we got some instruction manual. Whoa. Let's check it out. Oh. Receiver. Care about racing, fool. What you know about that? Look at this. I have a removable handle. I can just hold it in my hand and drive. See that? It's pretty slick, I guess. Got the handle here. Just a little magnetic strips, looks like. Doesn't lock in very well. It slides in and out. Like I said, I think I paid $35 for it. You know. I guess you put the batteries right here. This is where it's charged. AAA. So I'm guessing this charges the handle. But there we go. That helps you put it on correctly, I guess. It's not bad, a little digital screen on there. I have to find some batteries so I can be able to play with. Go any further with this one. Well, that's it. We'll check this out. Find some batteries in there. Oh, shit. Alright. Got me another AE Kustmz package. See what it looks like. Fucker didn't go crazy with the duct tape this time. That Utah tape. It's not that bad. Alright. As y'all know, I'm a AE Kustmz. Got a little letter from a good friend that sent me some sweet little squishy tires. Oh man, those are sticky. some used tires. The N Pro pins. Got some of those. Pretty sticky. What else? Well, I got some. Sent me some Muse drive shafts. Throw in there. That's good. Whoa. There's an extra little chassis body that can be sent with it for me. Pretty sweet. Look at that. Old Toyota or something. Whoa. Sweet little chassis. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it yet. Maybe put it on another Traxxas for one of these days. It's pretty cool though. Little gold tint in that. Pretty sweet. Alright. We got some more stickers. Sweet. Oh man. Can't fly. Just some more sweet stickers. Check these guys out. Some Majora Klingons. Man. Look at those suckers. Kind of squishy. What the hell? Fucking fly. Pretty good weight. It's gonna be pretty heavy. See how these Enduras do. The Enduras are the pins, I don't know. Do I feel like fucking I'm taking these off? But check it out. Pretty slick, huh? Got some Fred Cat frickin' bogger looking things on it. All brass. Let's see. It's got for a nice A&E rack up there, yeah. Alright, let's see. Through the body. Not there. Got some good weight. Sweet little clear transmission case there. All ball bearings. Muse 40, what is that? 63 millimeter. 63 and a half. Some Enduras. Got some what? Some NRC here. Little chassis. Well. Pretty slick, kind of like these guys. Pretty slick, you put me a motor. Looks pretty nice in there. It's got some good weight. Looks like it might have some good articulation. Let's see. Tracks look a little short for me, but you know, who knows? It's gonna get me a servo, a new motor, ESC. I just got one, the Endura Purple Viper setup. Do I want to put it in this, or do I want to put it in my stock one? Not really stock, but has a Chevy body on it, which I like. Well, there she is, another AE custom build. Sweet. It's just a roller. You gotta add your own electronics, your own air, you know what I mean? You know what I mean. Check it out. We'll see.